You know that dramatic God ray lighting that makes a shot look instantly high budget? You don't need a massive setup for that. I'm Jay Haynes for the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I'll use DaVinci Resolve's built-in light rays to create stunning, realistic light beams in just a few clicks. If you're ready to upgrade your look, let's go. So I'm going to start by dragging this clip down here onto the editor timeline. And then if I open up the effects tab and I do a quick search for light rays, I can drag that effect onto the clip. And right away you can see the change. If I open up the inspector tab, I can toggle this on and off, and it gives you a really good idea. Let's just real quickly go through these buttons. Starting with the source regions, this shows where the light rays are coming from. This is a look at the rays by themselves, and then this is the final result, okay? If I go to the source regions again, and I just adjust the source threshold, and I take it up a little bit so that it really is only working the brightest parts of it. When I bring back the rays only, you can see that it has changed that, and the final result looks a lot better, right? Now, next down here is rays from a location, and that's the position here. So I can slide this to the left, I can slide this to the right, or I can slide this down or up, and I'm just going to basically stick about right there. I can also use at an angle, which means that I can adjust the angle that these are going, right? But I'm going to stay with from a location. Now I can adjust the length of the rays, right? Obviously, I want them to be long enough to reach the edge of the frame here. I can adjust the brightness of the rays, make them a little brighter. I can also soften them up a little bit. I prefer to do both of those. If I click on colorize, then I can just sort of change it, and you can see how that is affecting the look of it. And I'm going to go about right there for this particular shot. Now, if you open up atmosphere, you can add that, and it just creates a little bit of an atmosphere to it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And under advanced controls, we can use the composite type, add, subtract, whatever. I prefer screen, but some people like add better as well. And then global blend, I never worry about any of using that at all. And when we're done, we very quickly have added these beautiful light rays here into this shot. Now, let me also say that, and I'll just use this one as my example footage next. This shot here, if I go ahead and select that and then go into the Fusion tab, I can also add this by shift space and then searching again for light rays, and I can go ahead and add that in between, and it does the exact same thing. If you look here at the inspector tab, you can see that all of these are the same. You have the source regions, you have the rays alone, you have the final result, you have the threshold here, you have from a location as well as at an angle. The big difference on that is, and this is the cool part, is that now there's like a little cursor that shows you exactly where that location is. So you don't have to just adjust these positions like this. But all of everything else is exactly the same. And so you can do it either in the editor timeline like this, or you can do it on the Fusion page like this. And that's how to use the light rays effect in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.